Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to have or how to get your Microsoft 365 app or product. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to simply log in or just at least access to the website. So you will need just to search for Microsoft 365 on your web browser. So you can simply type Microsoft like 365, and basically from there you will be able to get your subscription or whatever. So if you're not like logged in, you will find these options. So from there, you would be needing to be, or you would be able to start like seeing all the plans and pricing. Of course, you will be needing to choose whether you want like subscriptions for individual like or family usage, or for business usage, or for enterprise, education, etc. So you will be needing just to go for the category you would like. You can find all like the features of it here, and basically you can click on see plans and uh, products. And by going that, you will be able like to find like the billing information, and you can choose whatever like uh, the plan that you would like. And from here you will find like to see all the pros of your feature or for your subscription. Then you click on buy now, and after that you will be able to start creating your own account. So basically you will find like the subscription and account details. From there you will be signing to your account, and you can add your billing information from here. So let's just simply solve this here, and basically we will be needing just to simply click on this one, and basically we can go to the next step. As you can see, you will need just to add like everything concerning your own uh, plan, and basically you click on next and you add your information, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.